Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Joyful Bibala here. Yay! It's good to have you back. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. So today's video is on this beautiful light skin model. She's not too light, but she's light. She's fair skinned actually. Yes, if you're yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are getting there. Yes, we are getting there. Kindly support me. Support your girl, Biobele. I need your love and care and support of obviously. Okay, so let's get right to the video. Today's video is it's pretty much self-explanatory, so I'll just leave you to watch, relax and enjoy. I've actually done this makeup a very long time ago. I think like 2 or 3 months ago. I think I was reluctant to post it. If you watch the video, you might understand why. But I actually love this look actually. So please show love to the video, to this video. Like, share, comment. Thank you so much. Okay, also if you have any questions, feel free to post the questions on the comment section. I'll respond. Thank you. So if you have gotten to this point and you are yet to subscribe, that's not fair. Please kindly hit the subscribe button and share this video. Please share to your family and friends, like and comment in this video. You can see the makeup is coming out well. I love the eyes. Now I'm applying lip balm to prime the lips because our lips were a bit cracked. What I'm doing here, when I was applying the mascara, I stained the eyeshadow with the mascara, so I'm just using a mascara wand or a spoolie to clean off the mascara. If this happens, please make sure your mascara dries first, because if it's still wet and you do that, you're going to stain every other place. So once it's dry, just use a mascara wand or a spoolie to clean it off. Now I'm lining the lips. I use the lip palette from Cindy's Beauties, a Nigerian lip palette. I lined it to the brown and I'm blending it out to avoid harsh lines. Now I'm applying the lip shade. I used a nude shade, and I also went ahead to apply a lighter shade because I wanted it to be a bit lighter. Now that's the look. Now I'm through. I'm just dusting off the excess powder from the under the eye area. Doing finishing touches. Don't you love the look? I love this look. I don't even know why it took me so long to post it. I just realized that I think I did this look about maybe 3 months. Maybe 3 months ago, because I am looking at the hair that I have on this video, and I did this hair about 3 months ago. So wow, that's so unlike me to record a video and not post. But anyway, never late than ever. Better late than never, rather. I'm sure somebody needed to see this video right now. That's why I'm posting it. So relax, enjoy, and learn. Applying lip gloss as usual. I used a clear gloss on the lips. Ooh, it's popping. Now I'm setting the face with a setting spray. It's a US brand. I think NK Beauty. Nikak, yes, Nikak, New York. Now I'm going in with the highlighter from MAC Cosmetics. I'm just highlighting the forehead and her nose. That's all. This is the finished look.